just a quick tutorial or just a quick tip. Yes, if you are designing a CorelDRAW and there are some ways that you wish to bring out some characters, do you know that there are some fonts that have some special characters? For example, let me write board, okay? And this is the board. And there are some fonts. Let me change it to uppercase, okay? Then I'll bring this. I'll change it to lowercase. Okay, good. Do you know that there are some fonts that you can't use directly like this? For example, there's a font I installed on my system. It's called social media. As you can see, I have different variety of social media. So I have social media. I have social media circle, as you can see from my screen. I have social media icon board. I have social media pro. I have social tab. There's another one again that I have, but it's still social icon. Is it social media icon, something like that? I think I don't know where that one is, but I think it's not among this category. It's icon medium 7, something like that. So, for example, now you want to write Facebook or you want to build out an icon to YouTube, Twitter. I know Twitter is no longer using that big, it's an X. But for me, all social media are still outdated because they have not been updated with some social media icons because you can't see social media like the new Twitter logo or TikTok logo. No, you can't see them there. You can't see it there. And let me go back to this one again. Social media front. Boom. As you can see, this is just it. You see, this actually, the down one was uh, title keys, while the upper one was uh, many illustrative fabric. Good. As you can see from the screen, the upper one was uppercase, while the down part, the second one was title case. As you can see, the uppercase, the big Y, is different from the ones that have the one that have the lower case. The reason why I said so is because there are some fonts that you can always see like this. And for example, you see now the O so the O is for location cell. So you can't just see because you want to type bring out your location cell, you just that O. No. It's a particular place that you have to go that will bring up location cells or location icon for you, or they'll bring all these symbols for you. When you go over to the object, you see this last option here. The shortcut keys is Control F. So F11 your keyboard. But you can just come over here and bring it up. You can't come in or what to bring it out is called Shift. So when you click on Shift, dialog box will appear at the left or at the right hand side of your corridor. As you can see, these are the categories of icons that we have. Now let me go over to that social media. You see, you can have different variety of social media. You see, right, this is it. See, this easy. So from here, what you do, for example, I need paper logo. When I click on paper logo, I come over to the stage, and I come over to my CorelDRAW, click on paste. So this is it. This is how to insert or build a icon. When we go over to this other one, the social media circle code, this is what I was talking about. Icon still the old icon. They have not been updated. And I've checked for the updated, but I haven't seen anyone because from this social media icon, you can't see Twitter, new logo, you can't see TikTok, but you have Pinterest there, you have Facebook, you have YouTube, you have WhatsApp, you have Google, you have Instagram, you have Skype, you have Spotify, I have Amazon, I have whatever tab we do it, we have location time, just like that. We have Shazam, Behance, Wi-Fi, just like that. As coming, there is the airborne, the airborne needs something like that. I think that's like the thing. So with this, other variety of icon that. So you choose the one you want. Yeah, so what you just do, come over here, click on it, copy, and come over to the corridor and click on this. And the one nice important thing is that you can apply colors to it. You can apply any color to it. Just like this on your screen, you can apply any color to it. So you can apply any color to it. And mind you, this font is for legal purposes. Where you can use it is just for instead of going online to go looking for social media icon like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and all that. But the only updated icon that are not revealed still seeing emails. The no Twitter logo and TikTok. The other social media icon you can see there. You can go online and check for social media for medicine in that category. So in case you download Tony on that character phone, this is where you can bring them back under the care G. This is where you can bring them. And we have different of a variety of things. I have another one, the teach. As you can see, the teach the version sign. So this is it. See it. So this is it. See it now. So we did by to detect amazing things instead of putting online searching. And I have another one indeed. It's called free. See it. Free. Loading. Still loading code. You see it's free. So you can pick any shapes that you want. So that means that to bring like characters in Corel in case you download any fonts like I have character because in alphabet the characters won't pop out. It's set to go through G can art. So that's just how to bring any characters in Corel. Thank you for watching and see you in this tutorial again. God bless.
Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.